वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। सो अभी टाइम हो रहा है अराउंड 9 o'clock एंड वी आर रेडी। वी आर लीविंग गोकर्णा राइट नाउ एंड वी आर हेडिंग टू वेयर गोवा। सो लेट्स गो एंड द वेदर इज़ रियली गुड and in Google it shows 2 hours to reach Goa from here. It shows 90 kilometers, so let's see if we can beat Google. All right, so stay connected and let's go.
Hi, hello, good morning from Gokarna, day 3. So today we are going to Palolem, as she already told. So let's go. Google is showing 2 hours and 90 kilometers to drive. So I'm pretty excited. We'll probably try to cover it as soon as possible in 2 hours. So the vehicle is ready. Let's go. So the time is 9 o'clock right now, and Google is showing that we will reach our destination by 10:30. So it's around 85 to 90 kilometers from here. So probably it will take 1.5 hours or 2. So yeah, we did not have our breakfast yet. Once we reach there, we are planning to have. So let's go. Just look at this bus. This is the public transport. This is the public transport of Gokarna. The buses are yellow. We reached our stay and it's just 1 minute away. So once we are there, we'll just freshen up and let's go to the beach.
And
See you.
it's the same stay, the Lost Hostels. Okay?
Yeah, in the previous video, it's the same stay. Let's go, guys. Hi, hello, what is up, everyone? Hope you're doing great. So we got freshed up at our room. Now we are going to the Palolem beach, and it's just walkable from our stay. Probably it will take another 15 minutes from here. So we're just walking. We're just going to the beach right now. Yeah.
Well, last time we came here, but we were not able to go to Palolem beach. But this time we are not gonna miss it because I have seen so many videos and pictures. Palolem beach looks beautiful, and we are not going to miss the sunset.
Actually,
So-
we came here last time, but it was in the night, approximately at 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
So now we are planning to go in the day so that we can view the sunset. So let's go.
Right, we'll have some fun. Alright guys, and finally you can see we are here at the Palolem beach, and it's so beautiful, it's so serene. You can see it's little bit sunny because it is now around 4 o'clock, and we did not want to miss the sunset, and that's the reason we came so early here. And we'll have some fun here. We'll try to do some kinds of water activities. Let's see, and let's have fun. So the surrounding is amazing. You can see there are so many shops around, and people are also relaxing on the beach, and so many shops, so many shacks. People are having fun, people doing kayaking all around. The best part is of Palolem, it is surrounded with mountains and lots of coconut tree all around. You can see that, right? So we will go around the Palolem beach, and we will check out the things around. We'll try to do some kind of shopping as well, but let's see what we will do. Not sure about anything, so let's go and just enjoy the beach with us and just look around how serene it is. It's really beautiful. I always wanted to come here last time we came, but we missed it. It was really bad luck, but now we are here, and I'm going to enjoy a lot.
Alright, so I am going for boating. Looks like someone is not interested in boating at all. Yesterday she had a bad time, so she doesn't want to come into the boat. I thought मैं अकेले क्या जाऊँगा, but our friends are going. So even she said that you guys can also see if I go and go into the boating and explore a little bit of island. So yeah, I am going, and she'll be staying at the beach. So what you will be doing? You'll just take a walk?
I'll just roam around, I'll take a walk, I'll have fun on the beach, yaar.
Okay.
I like it like this.
So it costed us 300 per person, and we bargained it. Always make sure that you bargain, do not take it as they say. Try to bargain and get it for a good price. For boating we got it for 300. So let's go. I'll go, she'll be here. Chalo. See you.
Bye, have fun.
Chalo. Right, so we are going into the sea for 1 hour to watch the Butterfly Island and the Honeymoon Beach, and also a couple of dolphins as well. If probably we can find some dolphins, that would be great. So this is the boat behind us that we are going in. So let's go. Alright, so we are at the dolphin viewpoint. We are trying to capture some dolphins. It's floating, literally it's floating. Yeah. So we are trying to capture some dolphins. Hopefully if we can find some, it would be awesome. So we're just waiting. A couple of boats as well waiting along with us. So let's see if we can find some dolphins. Right, so I am at the Honeymoon Beach. It looks like it's vacant right now, but there are a couple of boats that are coming. So before they come, I'll just tell you something. We tried to check for the dolphins, but we couldn't find any dolphins at the moment. We waited for a very long time, but we did not find any. So we came here for a couple of photographs, and then we'll go to another beach. So it would probably be the Butterfly Beach. Yeah, so just enjoy some shots and we'll go there. Right. Right, I have completed the view from Palolem. I had a little bit of dip. Now we are going back to the room to freshen up and close for the day. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.